it's hard not to talk about Beanie. As SB19 na done before in the past, this year naman we saw Beanie's rise, right? So, what does this say about the current K-pop scene, the industry, and its audiences, and local groups being able to compete with K-pop love?
Ay, masabi yung industry is thriving talaga. Flourishing. Kumbaga, papunta na tayo doon. In a few years more, malaki yung na-imagine ko for the K-pop community, for the OPM. Kasi diba, Beanie is also making waves sa global scene. Maganda rin ito yung talagang start. Na talagang unti-unti napapakilala na natin yung Filipino culture, Filipino music. And yan naman po talaga yung ginugol at SB19